In today's Delph Stack tutorial video, we'll learn how to make Safari the default browser on your iPhone. If you've been using another browser like Chrome or Firefox and want to switch back to Safari for convenience, this simple process will help you set it as your default. Let's walk through the steps to make sure you have Safari open links automatically, making browsing a seamless experience. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the app that looks like a gear icon, usually located on your home screen. Once you have the Settings app open, scroll all the way down until you reach the Apps section. The apps are listed alphabetically, so it might take a bit of scrolling to find. Tap on Apps to open the list of all apps installed on your device. Now that you're in the Apps section, scroll down until you find Safari. Safari is usually located near the top of the list, since it's one of the default apps that comes pre-installed on iPhones. Once you find Safari, tap on it to open its settings page. In the Safari settings, you'll see various options to customize how Safari behaves on your iPhone. These settings include things like privacy, content blockers, and general browsing preferences. However, to set Safari as your default browser, you'll need to look for a specific setting, Default Browser App. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials like these. Once you're in the Safari settings, scroll down until you find the Default Browser App option. This is the setting that controls which app will automatically open when you click on a web link. If you're currently using another browser, it will be listed here as well. Tap on Default Browser App. You'll now see a list of browsers that are installed on your device that can be set as the default. At the top of the list, you'll see Safari. If another browser like Chrome or Firefox has been set as the default, it will appear here as well. To switch back to Safari, simply tap on Safari from the list. Once you select it, Safari will become your default browser, meaning anytime you click on a link in apps like Mail, Messages, or even third-party apps, Safari will automatically open it instead of another browser. After you've made the switch, you don't need to do anything else. You'll now have Safari set as your default browser, which will save you time and make your browsing experience faster and more efficient. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to tap the subscribe button for more helpful guides like this. We bring you new, easy-to-follow tech tutorials every week to make your life easier. If you're not seeing Safari listed in the default browser app section, there could be a few reasons for this. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. This feature was introduced in iOS 14, so if you're running an older version of iOS, you may need to update your device to take advantage of this setting. To check for an update, go to Settings and General as Software Update. Additionally, if you've recently installed a new browser app, it might take a few moments for it to show up in the default browser app list. If you're having trouble, try restarting your iPhone, which can help refresh the settings and allow the new app to show up properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.